everybody is well. Today, oh my god, we've got my Degustabox. This literally just arrived and it is the heaviest one I've ever had. It's so heavy. Like, the delivery driver gave it me with one hand and I was like, oh, and then he fell over. Anyway, for those of you that don't know, Degustabox is a food subscription box. It's £12.99 a month. I have got a discount code if you want to use it. I think you can get £5 off your first box. I'll put it on the screen and I will link it down below for you. If you do use my code, I will get some points. I think you have to get 50 points, no, 100 points, and then you get a free box. I think that's right. So just be aware of that. You can cancel at any time and they're super helpful. But this is the box. I've just ripped my address off so I don't accidentally show that like I normally do. Let's just get it open. I can't get over how heavy this is. Right. So every month when it is due to come, I think they do like 3 delivery dates a month. Mine is around about between the 17th and the 21st. You get a text. I got a text this morning that said, where is it? Yesterday I got a text saying your Degustabox will be delivered tomorrow, as in today. And then I got a text today saying your driver Chris, who is the same guy every month, will be with you between 10:29 and 11:29. It's now 10:32, so he was literally here exactly when he said he was going to. So it comes like this. It's all like done in a nice box, and then it's sealed and it's all bubble wrapped really, really well. You get some vouchers and you get a little card to explain to you what's in it. I don't want to look, I don't want to see any spoilers, so I'm just going to grab things. The first thing I've got is a Leo Bites, which are 1 of your 5 a day, no added sugar, vegan and gluten free, and these are like little smoothie bites. And this says, I think is it for kids or is it for adults? I don't even know. Let's have a look. Leo Bites, where are you? These are crumbs. These are £2.35 for this tiny little bag. This is only 16 grams. That's ridiculous. And like, yeah, I'm a little bit in shock about that. I don't really know. It's £2.35. That is ridiculous. Leo Bites are 100% fruit crisps made by mums searching for a healthy snack for her family. So these are for children. There is no way on this earth I can afford to give my children crisps or fruit crisps that are £2.35 for a tiny bag. So they will eat them, but I would not buy those. I say this every month for my Degustabox. If you are someone that goes to 10 different supermarkets to get 10 different bargains, you're probably not going to like this. If you don't like trying new things, you're probably not going to like this. But if you are someone that, like me, I just do a general... I'm just going to wait for the helicopter to sod off. Anyway, yeah, if you are somebody that, like me, who does just like one weekly shop, I go to either Aldi or Asda, depending on if I need nappies, and I don't shop around for things, I'll just go to one supermarket, then you might like it. I love these boxes. They're one of my favourite ones that I get, and I haven't had one yet that I don't like. And there's generally quite a lot of stuff that's gluten-free, which is really good for me because my brother is celiac. So yeah, this box has actually got, it says Degustabox April, and then it's got active outdoors section. So these are an active outdoors section apparently. I feel like I've got something on my face. I don't know what it is. We're just going to carry on. Next up we've got full of beans protein mix. Ooh, roasted mix of goodness that will give you good daily snacking. Oh, this looks yummy. So there's 2 of these. Where's the other one? Oh, we've got full of beans protein mix, and we've got smoking edamame mix. These are £1 each, and the Food Doctor full of beans protein mix and smoking edamame mix make the perfect mid-morning snack as they blend corn and beans, which are high in fibre and protein that will keep you going till lunchtime. So they're really awesome. I like the look of those. I will check the sins because I'm doing Slimming World. I don't like smoky things, but Ben will probably eat those. I think I've got to get this big thing out. I don't know what it is. Okay, this is easy to digest A2 milk, long life semi-skimmed cow's milk. This is £1.50. How big are you? This is a litre, and it says it's natural cow's milk with a difference. It's naturally free from the A1 protein found in regular cow's milk, so it's gentle on sensitive tummies, easy to digest, and less likely to trigger symptoms associated with mild milk intolerance. And it says it's not suitable for a cow's milk protein allergy, but this is just a different kind of milk. And it's nice and cold. The boxes are like cold boxes kind of thing. This will definitely get used. I wouldn't buy this, but it's something new to try. I'll give the kids some of this tonight when they have their milk for bedtime. That's awesome. What are you? This is a big bottle. They bubble. They wrap things really well. What are you? Oh, it's a Passata. I will put on the screen at the end of the video how much everything added up to in total. This is a Mutti Passata. £1.40, perfectly dishes with reduced cooking times and can enhance pasta sauces, eggs and meat. The Passata retains its bright red colour, velvety texture and sweet flavour. I love Passata. I use it in so many things, so this will definitely get used. I generally just go for their own brand stuff, but I'm intrigued to see if using a more expensive Passata will make a difference to my chili or my bolognese. I will let you guys know. What's next? There's another thing that's wrapped up. What is this? Oh my goodness, it's like chocolate spread. Oh my goodness. This is £7.45. This is £7.45 for this jar. There is no way on this earth I would ever pay £7.45 for a jar of spread. But this is Nutella, and it's a delicious hazelnut spread with 0 palm oil and 97% less sugar. It tastes freaking amazing and has been certified with the Orangutan Alliance No Palm Oil seal. Oh my goodness, I'm going to open this. I'm opening it. I'm doing it. It smells exactly the same as Nutella. I'm just gonna, I can't not, can I? I've got to try it. I eat a lot of Nutella. It tastes like Nutella but a bit nuttier. So if you don't like, I'm just sitting here eating it. Stop it, Lucy. I haven't had breakfast yet. That is delicious. Oh, I'm excited. How many calories has this got? Per 15 grams. So a tablespoon is 70 calories, which is 3.5 sins. So it's a little bit less sins than Nutella, but it's £7.45. I would not pay that for that, but I'm not going to give this to the kids. This is going to be for me. That's awesome. Next up, we've got some Trek Toffee Triumph Protein Energy Chunk. Where is this? Oh, there's 2 of these. Oh, Cocoa Peanut Peak Energy Chunks. Oh my goodness. These are relying on instead of relying on mysterious additives and syrups, Trek chunks are packed with precise cold pressed balance of powerful whole foods, vegan and gluten free, and one of your 5 a day. I bet these are going to be absolutely loads of sins. Yeah, 60 grams is 335 calories. So this is far too many sins for me to eat. I'm going to try one. I'm going to try a little teeny bit. I'm going to open the peanut chocolate one if I can. Get some scissors and do it. These are £1.15 a packet. Oh, they look like this. Oh my god, that just tastes like chocolate and peanut butter. Yeah. I like these. I will weigh them out and see how much each one of these little ones weighs, and then I'll work out how many sins it is, but I'm super happy with those. Next up is Lucozade. Ben loves Lucozade, so he'll have this. This is £1.10. We all know what Lucozade is. This is in the outdoor sports section. This Lucozade is. So that will definitely get drunk. I don't like Lucozade. I've only ever had it when I'm in labour, and I'm not a fan of that. So Ben will have that. What is in my eye? Okay. Oh my goodness, there's another one for Bender. He loves these. The Haribo Giant Strawberries. These are £1.29. We all know what these are, but they're a really nice little snack. To be fair, I quite like these, but I've kind of gone off them just because I don't feel like they're worth the sins. But yes, send me any kind of sweets and I'm happy, to be fair. What are you? What is that? My next door neighbour's just helpfully started mowing his lawn, so I'm just gonna power through this next bit. We've got some Perfect Mash roasted garlic. I love like dried mash stuff. I don't know how many sins this is. I'll have to have a look on the website and see if it's got any sins, but this will definitely get used. This is £1.50. Gluten-free, GM-free, yummy garlic mash. So yes, this will get used. So far there's nothing that isn't going to get eaten. What's this? This is a NYX Kex Bar chocolate wafer, Swedish mission to improve the world of snacks. Join our fight on sugar. This says, this is £1.20 and it says crispy chocolate wafer with vanilla cream covered in thick delicious milk chocolate. We never add sugar to our products, not now, not ever. Join our fight, and there's a 20% code. If you use Degusta, you can find them on Amazon and you can get 20% off. That's quite cool. Again, I'm not sure how many sins this is going to be. 195, so that's quite a lot of sins. That's like nearly 10 sins for this, so I probably will need this, but Ben will have it. If I wasn't doing Cinnamon World, I'd totally eat that. This is another one for Ben. This is a Juicy Fuel Blueberry Cola. Ooh, that looks really cool. He's got loads of little drinks like this that I've had in Degustaboxes, and he seems to really like them all. I don't know if it's got caffeine in it or not. I might try if it's got no caffeine. These are £2. Wow, that's a lot. I don't know what the other flavour was, but it was purple, so I'd assume like grape maybe, but we've got blueberry. Oh, what are you? Down, I'm really confused. It's upside down. Down, what is this? I'm really confused, my brain hurts. Happy Down Craft Cocktails. Ooh, lychee, guava and chili. This is going to be for Ben as well. Refreshing alcoholic pre-mix, 44 calories per 100 ml. So this is about 6 sins for this whole thing. These are £2, and it says Happy Down Craft Cocktails are a range of award-winning pre-mixed drinks that pair 2 premium adult-oriented fruit flavours further with a herb or spice to create the crafted alcoholic refreshment. They're made with all natural flavours of 0 preservatives, gluten-free, vegan-friendly and no added sugar. That's really cool. And there's 3 different flavours. I can't see what the other ones are, but yeah, we've got lychee, guava and chili. I'll let you know because Ben will love that. He loves a cocktail. And then we've got some tomatoes. These are Mutty again, which is the same as the Passata. On the back of the card there are recipes using these 2 products. These are £1 for finely chopped tomatoes. I don't use chopped tomatoes because I don't like the chunks, but I will give this to my mum this afternoon and I'm sure she will use them. But yeah, they're £1. They're nice. They would be nice if I liked them, but they'll definitely get used. And then finally, done this last because as soon as they hear me say this, they're going to want them. We have got Milky Bar Wholesome. And there's 2 of these, thankfully. These are 55p each. And these are Milky Bar Wowsomes have arrived to bring the fun with 30% less sugar than similar chocolate products and no artificial sweeteners, flavours or preservatives. 100% delicious white chocolate or milk chocolate filled with creamy centre and white with crispy oat cereal. So we've got 1 white and 1 milk. I'm going to give these to the kids and we'll see what they think. But yeah, that was my Degustabox. I'll add it up on the screen how much it was, but this is my favourite thing by far. That is awesome. £7.45 for that. No way would I pay that ever, but I do want to just sit and eat that. That smells amazing. I'm going to have some breakfast now and I'm going to have these on rye cakes. If you like these kind of unboxing videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.